Hello, in front of me I've got Parkside Shredder. In this video I'll show you how to assemble this device. Let's start with the wheels and stand. Firstly, from the wheels remove the middle part. Now when it's removed, prepare this screw with distance. Place it right here. Next, use one stand. Put this part right here, and through this part push this bar. Remember to place this black part here for better connection. Next, insert this here, and in the end connect the wheel. Screw wheel in using this screwdriver which is in the set. Next, let's connect the second wheel, and then we are going to screw everything in. So remove this part, place this part here, this part here, this part over this part, this part here, Now let's connect the wheel. Screw the wheel in. And once the wheels are properly secured, use this to hide it. In the end, we have to place the shredder above the handle. And to do this, make sure to place bars inside the dedicated holes. Push it to the limit. And once it's done, use these two screws to secure stand with the shredder. Now the only thing that's left is placing the bug right here. One strap over one hand. And it's done. Your shredder is now assembled and secured. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.